All right, so you just got your 3AC side soft armor. I'm gonna show you how to put the armor in the plate bag. So a few things to note here. There will be a mark to tell you that this is the top, and then right here it says body side. So this label is gonna be on the body side. It's important for when putting it into the plate bag. The top of the plate bag is where this stitching is on this back Velcro. And then you'll know that this is the body side because this side attaches to the cummerbund, and this will be a different color, making it a little bit easier for you. So to start this out, we're gonna go ahead and open this up here. Now, the inside of this right here, that's the body side. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure that this label is touching the inside of that right there. Start this out, I'm gonna shove one side in. It's a little bit tight, so you're gonna have to kind of use some muscle there. While I'm doing this, I'll shift the bag around, make sure I'm getting it all the way in there. And then the trick here is to bend the armor back and then create kind of like a Z to get it into this other side. And to get it started, push it through. Like so. So obviously this seam right here should be at the top. So we're just gonna shift it a little bit. Get this all nice, tidied up. Check the bottom here, a little off. Shift that, roll that around as best that I can. Okay, to close this, pretty simple. What I like to do is kind of bend the middle a little bit there so I can get that nice and tight. I'm gonna put down these side pieces of Velcro here. And then I like to get this as tight as possible. So ideally you wouldn't really have any Velcro showing. So to do that, just like I did before, I'm gonna bend this a little bit, creating a bit of a U, and then line up these two pieces of Velcro like that. So when you're done, you can just kind of pull on it a little bit, shift it around. A little bit showing is fine, just best you can. And that's how you install that. So I'm gonna show you how to get it on the cummerbund here. So pretty simple. Remember what the top side is. So just use this stitching up top as your reference point. And then obviously that's the body side. So we're gonna wanna line this up. You're gonna want a little bit of overlap on this back plate bag. So you probably have to test fit this a few times to find where you like it sitting on your body. But you would want to have a little bit of overlap on the back as well as the front. So check to make sure I'm lined up here, which I'm not. This back piece of Velcro is the same size as the cummerbund, so realistically you won't see very much showing on that. And then attach the front here. You'll have a little bit of overlap on the front as well. I'm doing this without looking at it. So yeah, it's gonna have overlap on the front and the rear plate bag. How much overlap you have is up to you. You can adjust your cummerbund or adjust up front or at the rear to get that perfect fit for you. Like I said, you might have to do it multiple times, kind of readjusting and playing with it, but ideally the side armor will give you a little bit of support. So, all right, that's how you install your 3AC side soft armor.